elephant also will get everybody. Thank you! Terima kasih! Sisi, syukran, nasi, well, ladies and gentlemen, anybody wants to feed our elephant sugarcane, please proceed, buy some sugarcane and feed our elephant. And those of you who want to for safari ride, please proceed to the truck station for a safari ride. Nacho Multi-Animal Fun Place, shop at 11:45. See you there, enjoy your stay on safari, Wonderland Park!
Ada po? Sige yan.